Hola, bom dia! I'm Dominique Vibez and welcome to my channel. I hope y'all are having a fabulous day. For today's adventure, we are doing a hop-on, hop-off tour in Faro to a few of the islands. There's 3 different islands. Alright, looks like they're starting the boarding, so I'm trying to get on there first. But these are the views. And we are getting on this yellow boat right here. It's called a bus.
Como é que vai ser? Ela disse, não sei o que fazer. Vem pra cá. Bota ela no avião, que eu durmo no chão. Fica calma, não tem pressa, tudo vai se resolver. Quando eu vi no aeroporto, no seu rosto o desgosto. Será que é pra mim? Não vou me precipitar. Paciência é uma ciência, é o tempo. Vou descobrir. Acordou de manhã, sentou-se na mesa, olhou para mim com a cara surpresa. E o café? Tá saindo madame, com pãozinho e salame. Amanhã você se serve, pega o que quiser. A noite caiu e tomando meu vinho, fez do meu ouvido um grande pinico. É um pajé, uma longa lição sobre democracia. Enquanto isso eu pensava, por que não divide a pia? Quando eu vi no aeroporto, no seu rosto um desgosto X. Será que é pra mim? Não vou me precipitar. Paciência é uma ciência, é o tempo vai descobrir.
Yeah, like yeah.
Alright, we made it to the first island, Ilha Deserta. It's maybe a 10-15 minute ride. So the hop on, hop off tour in total is €35. And if you wanted to do it without the tour, it's 10 each way, one way. So honestly, I think the hop on, hop off is worth it. And they have a timetable you follow. Got a restaurant here. Different lighthouse over there. Just gonna hop around the islands today, go to the beach, check it out. So for me, the plan is I'm going in the water, and then I gotta take a look at the timetable and see when the next shuttle is so I can hop to the next island. And that is gonna be my plan today. Island hopping, beach hopping for my last day here in Faro. So this island, I mean, you could walk around the whole island in maybe 10-15 minutes or so, depending on how fast you're walking. So we got dropped off right there, and you know, you could go around, but I just went straight through the middle towards the restaurant and then just to the other side. So that's how I got to this beach, but it's, you know, we got dropped off right there. It's small, it's very close. I signed up with this, with the hostel. It was €35. If you didn't sign up with the hostel and you just did it at their ticket booth, it's the same price, $35. And what's nice is that at the hostel, they also send you some information about each of the islands, so you kind of have an idea of what to expect. So there's 3 islands: Ilha de Culatra. Best for lunch when you get on the island. It's a long walk until you get to the beach, and the view is cool. Ilha do Faro, the most beautiful one. There's a little path with rocks for you to walk. And Ilha Deserta, which is the one I'm on now. They say there's not much here. It's a desert island, so it's peaceful and relaxing. There's only one restaurant here, and you can buy drinks and take them to the beach areas. And some of the islands only take cash, so keep that in mind, but they may also be accepting cards. But when traveling, is always key to have cash on hand, because you don't know when the card machine's gonna be down, or if they don't even roll that way and they're just like, nah, cash is king. And make sure you check your pack too. Make sure you packed everything for the beach, for your day's journey, because I realized I didn't even pack my towel. I did pack my bathing suit though, so that's important. I thought I was gonna set up right here, but actually I'm gonna find a different spot. See if I can find a spot that is a bit more remote. I think I'm gonna go way that way, or even take a whole walk around the beach and see what I find. Alright, so earlier I gave a guesstimate time of how long it would take to walk around this island. I said 10 to 15 minutes. That's not true. That's not true. Feels like I've been walking 10 to 15 minutes just to get to from the lighthouse to the end where I was pointing to. So yeah, I don't think that time was accurate. I think it takes a bit more time. Alright, I was looking a bit because I saw someone completely nude, completely naked, and it led me to search is there a nude beach here on this island? And yes, there is a nude section at the western end of the island. So if that's your vibe, come to Ilha Deserta and be free. My spot, ain't many people around here, and I'm just gonna chill. No towel, no problem. I got the beautiful sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. As much as I want to stay here, I need to get going to the other islands to at least try to see them. The last shuttle is at 7, I believe, is going on 4 p.m. right now. So I have just a little bit of time to see the next 2 islands, and then I go back into town, into Faro. So off we go to the next island. All right, I needed to rehydrate. I got a cold water bottle, and I mean, you would call this a Miami Vice strawberry daiquiri with the pina colada on top with the alcohol. It's currently 4:10, and the next shuttle takes off at 4:30. So it's gonna be coming real soon. I'm going to the next island. So actually I need to drink this quick. But already back to the docking point, and to the next island we go. The ride has arrived. Or I think it was here, but now it's actually I need to get. I got a bit excited. Actually, that was not the ride. That was the ride, I think, to go back to Faro. The next boat is gonna be here in 15 minutes, and that's the correct boat going to the next island. So, just chilling. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. It's so nice here. Oh my gosh, the weather in Madrid does not feel like this. To me, it does not feel the same as this heat that I'm getting right now in Faro. I'm just soaking in every last second of this sun and the beach. My heart belongs at the beach on an island. I'm a nature gal. I love to do adventures, hence my channel. But I want to do all the nature stuff. As a kid, I was always playing outside, and that totally carried into my adult life. Always outside. Like, as soon as the weather's nice, I'm only outside. We outside!